Very much, Mary. I now ask Cllr Paul Bell, Drogheda electoral area, Louth County Council, to address conference.
Good afternoon, delegates. Chairman Taoiseach. First of all, I just wanted to acknowledge the work that our government does at local government level and that this party does. Over the last number of weeks, we've witnessed public servants at their very best in all our communities, dealing with the situation of the storms that we've endured, the power cuts, our health service, our Garda Síochána, our ESB workers. All those people are public servants, and we in the Labour Party support public servants and we support public service. In every community throughout this state, we understand not just about public service, we understand what it is like to give public service to the communities. And not just providing utility services and health services. In Drogheda Borough Council and Louth County Council, myself and Councillor P.O. Smith, my colleague, have worked very hard to make sure that the business community is supported. In the height of the recession, we've worked very hard to make sure that tourism is developed in Drogheda as a gateway city, as we would say, to the Boyne Valley, to our neighbours in County Meath. And those initiatives have involved working with local communities, local organisations, and putting feet on the street in Drogheda and trying to encourage local business. There is no easy solutions to these problems that we face, and we have inherited these problems, and we should remind ourselves as councillors that we have inherited these problems, and we should not accept criticism in a local community by those who have brought us here. We are fighting our way out of this recession, community by community, street by street, business by business. We are also trying to create local jobs, creating confidence. That's what we're about. And those initiatives locally, working with voluntary organisations, make that happen. We're also to say, at the height of the boom, no schools were built in Drogheda. We now have, in the last 5 years, and especially in the last 3 years, witnessed 5 significant school projects for our children to go to get education and to make sure that they enjoy equality. Can I say this? I have no difficulty going to the people of South County Louth as a Labour councillor. And we have issues to address. There's no doubt about that. But we are working through it. This is business in progress, not business as usual. May I just leave you on this note? To stimulate local economies, it is time to have a discussion, colleagues. And it is time to have a discussion with the workers of this country who have endured so much about getting back to some understanding of having confidence and pay in their pocket. Thank you very much, delegates.
Thank you very much, Cllr Bell. Can I ask Shane Griffin